Another night, another walking. Wala namang bago sa ginagawa ko ngayon. I am used dito sa activity ko almost every night. So I spend at least 1 hour para magpapawis. Also, I've been doing this for almost 4 months. And I love what I'm doing right now. Maybe habang pinapanood mo yung video na to, you might ask me, para saan? So kung sasagutin kita, ayun, para mas maging healthy. Yun lang.